All right, welcome back to MathPro by Bloom Academy. We are going to do an introduction to algebra, solving one variable equations. Okay, suppose I say I pick a number, multiply it by 3, and subtract 9. The result is 24. What is the number? Okay, so we have to solve this puzzle. Okay, so I say we don't know the number. Start by picking a letter as the unknown, or call it a variable to represent the unknown. Okay. And then you say pick any letter from A to Z. Don't use the letter O. Can you guess the reason why? All right. So let's choose any letter. I just choose letter A to remember to represent the unknown. Okay. So the first operation is the number is multiplied by 3. So it says 3 times A. We write 3A. We just no, you're moving up. We're not going to use this multiplication sign anymore. If we write 3a is the same as 3 times a. So forget about the multiplication sign. So 3a. So that's the first. Just like if I tell you to do a number multiplied by 7, you write 7n. And number multiplied by 11, you say 11y. You don't want to write 11 times y, just 11y. And the number multiplied by 6 multiplied by the number z, you write what? 6z. Okay, so the first one is the number is multiplied by 3. The second and last operation is 9 is added to the product of 3 and the number. So that's it. This is the product. 9 is added to it. What did we get? The result is 3a plus 9 equals 24. We want to find that number, a. So to find that number means we have to go in reverse of the operation. This is what we did going forward to get to 24. To find this, we reverse the operation. So how do we do this? Okay, so we start by reversing the last thing that was done. The last thing that was done was adding the 9. It was addition of 9. We reverse addition by subtracting. Okay, the first reverse operation is, so we are going to subtract. Okay, so the last operation was addition. We are going to reverse it with subtraction. So go here we go. 3a plus 9 equals 24 minus 9 on both sides. We subtract 9 from this side and 9 from that side. Are we left with? On the left hand side, this goes away. We have 3a equals 15. Okay, and what was the first operation we did? Okay, it was 3 times a number, was multiplication. We are going to reverse multiplication with what? Division. So 3a equals 15. We divide both sides by this, the number multiplying the unknown. So 3a over 3 equals 15 over 3. Whatever we do to the left hand side, we have to do to the right hand side. So now we say a equals 5, and the number is 5. The number we picked is 5, was 5. So now test it. 3 times 5 plus 9, which is 15 plus 9 equals 24. We are right. Our answer is correct. Okay, so just here are the general rules. Okay, in solving one variable equations, we reverse addition with subtraction. We're going to reverse subtraction with addition. We reverse any multiplication with division and any division with multiplication. Okay, so let's try this here. So I pick a number, multiply it by 5, and add 12 to the product. The result is 37. What is the number? Okay, so watch the video again, try this, okay, and then come back and watch the solution. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Okay, can watch this solution with the worksheet. This is the video. Okay, you're going to have the worksheet, so work with it. Okay, now, so the number is what? 5, right? Okay, so this is a summary of steps. First, we write the equation to reverse the last step which was addition, reverse it with subtraction, and then finally, what? Reverse multiplication with division. You're done. All right, your turn. Do this one here. Okay, give you steps. All right, and there you have it. That's your answer. Okay, so now let's try something else. I pick a number, divide it by 3, and subtract 9. The result is 5. What is the number? Okay, so first step always, okay, like the first step is choose a letter to represent the variable, which is the unknown number. I choose P, you can choose Y, you can choose K, any letter except the letter O. Okay, so what is the first thing we did? Operation is the number divided by 3, which is written 3, P divided by 3, right? Okay, so now from this point on, you're going to write this as P over 3. We're going to get away from this. So P over 3 is the same as P divided by 3. So we're going to use this sign as division. Okay, that's the first operation. And what did we do next? We subtracted 9. So, and then P over 3 is called what? Division is called what? Quotient. Quotient. So now we subtracted 9 from the quotient of P and 3. So this is all right. What is the result? It's 5. Now we have to solve the equation. What did we say? What's the last thing we did? We subtracted. The last thing we did was subtraction. We are going to reverse. Okay, we start from reversing the last action. We reverse the last action, which was subtraction, with addition. Okay, so here, up here, right? The last step was addition. We're going to reverse that. We're going to reverse that with what? The last step was addition. We reverse it with subtraction. Here, you come here. The last step was subtraction. And we are going to reverse that with addition. So plus 9 on both sides. This goes away. What are we left on the left-hand side? P over 3 is equal to what? 5 plus 9 equals 14. Okay, so now this is what we have. P over 3 equals 14. We are not done yet. We're still going after this. We need to find what this is. Okay, we have P divided by 3 equals 14. This is division. We are going to reverse division with what? Multiplication. So we are going to multiply both sides by 3. This side by 3, this side by 3. Okay, so watch what happens when I multiply this side by 3. Okay, this becomes 3 divided by 3, which is 1. So that goes away. We are left with just P, and 14 times 3 equals what? 42. So the number is what? 42. So again, these are the steps. P over 3 minus 9 equals 5. First step, reverse subtraction with addition, okay? And then that goes away. What's left on the left-hand side? P over 3 equals 14. There's division here. How do we reverse that? Reverse division with what? Multiplication. Multiply both sides by the denominator. That goes away. P equals what? 42. That's your answer. Okay, your turn. I pick a number, divide it by 7 and subtract 8. The result is 22. What is the number? Okay, follow the steps, the same steps. Watch the video. Try it first. Watch the video, try it first, and then come and find your answer. All right? Okay, so here we go. I got all these equations for you to try, and I'm going to send the worksheet to you. All right, keep on working hard, and I keep encouraging you to apply yourselves very well, and all things being equal, you shall what? Bloom. Welcome to Bloom Academy. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.